morning buddies. Shall we learn how to change a non-terminating recurring decimal into the rational form? Shall we? Okay, what do we mean by rational form? What are rational numbers? Any numbers which are in the p by q form, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers, right? So we have to change these non-terminating numbers which are non-terminating as well as recurring into the rational form. And let us see how we will do it. Here the question is 4.7 bar. That means 7 is repeating. Okay, the recurring part is 7. So what is the periodicity? The number which is the number of digit which is repeating is known as periodicity. So what is the periodicity? 1 is the periodicity. Okay, what is the period? 7 is the period. Number of digit is 1. 7 means only one number, is it one digit. So the periodicity is 1. So what we have to do? First of all, the question should be considered as x. X equal to 4.7. Okay, let it be equation number 1. Since the periodicity is equal to 1, periodicity equal to 1, we multiply both sides of equation 1 by 10. If the periodicity is 2, here see this question. Here there are 2 digits repeating, 5 and 4. 2 digits are there. Under the bar 2 digits are there, means 5, 4. So the periodicity is 2. So we should multiply both sides of the equation by 100. Here the periodicity is 1, so we have to multiply 1 by 10. So how does it become? 10x is equal to, let us see how it will become. 4.7 bar means 777 like this, right or not? It will go on like that. When you are multiplying this one by 10, point means this decimal will change one digit, right? Means it will come here. So what does it become? 47.777 etc. That means it will become 7 bar. 47.7 bar. So this will change as 47.7 bar. This is equation number 2. Okay, did you understand how you get it? When you multiply by 10, here x into 10 is equal to 10x. When you multiply 4.7 bar into 10, what is happening? Point will move right side. Like this point will move one digit right. Means it will come after 7. But remaining all are 7 only. So again 7 bar will come. So 47 by 7 bar. Now you have to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. LHS subtract and RHS subtract. So 10x minus x. What is 10x? 10 minus 1? 9. 9x is equal to. What is 47.7 bar minus 4.7 bar? 47.7 bar minus 4.7 bar. Isn't this will be cancelled, you get 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 43.0 or 43. So we got 43. 9x is equal to 43. Then what is x? X is equal to 43 by 9. If we can simplify it into lowest terms, that you have to do, because rational numbers we will write by changing it into the lowest term. Otherwise, numerator and denominator will be relatively prime or co-prime. Okay, 43 and 9 there is no common factors. So x is equal to 43 by 9. We cannot change again this one into the lowest term. So the answer is 43 by 9. So what is the rational form of 4.7 bar? We got 4.7 bar as 43 by 9. Okay, did you get it? Let us see this question also. Here the periodicity is 2. So we have to multiply the number. First of all, we have to consider the question as x. X is equal to 0.54 bar. So this is equation number 1. Equation number 1 into 100. Why we are multiplying by 100? Because the periodicity is 2. So it will become 100x equal to, shall we see how does this part become? 0.545454 etc. Isn't? 0.54 means it will be like that. When we are multiplying by 100, this point will move 2 digits right. So it will become 54.5454 means 54 bar. So we got 100x as 54.54 bar. Okay, got? Now, this is equation number 2. So what is the next process? We have to subtract 1 from 2. So equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So we have to subtract to the left side. 100x minus x, we get 99x. Okay, this one 54.54 bar minus 0.54 bar. Okay, by subtracting this became 0, so 54. We got 50. So what is x? X is equal to 54 by 99. Okay, can we convert this into lowest term? Of course, because 54 and 99 are having common factors. So we can cancel it by 9 first. 9 6 are 54 and 9 11s are 99. So we got 6 by 11 as a rational form of 0.5 bar. Okay, we will see one more example now. Okay, let us see this question. 15.732 bar means only 3 and 2 are repeated. Actually, this is equal to 15.7 3 2 3 2 3 2 etc. Means only 3 and 2 are repeated. Okay, the recurring part is 3 2. So what is the periodicity? 100 is the periodicity. But there is one problem. First of all, this point after digit 7, this is not repeating now. So let us bring this 7 to this side. Okay, first of all, separate out these decimal number 7 which is not repeating. Let us bring to that one along with 50. That means we have to multiply with 10 first. If we are multiplying by 10, it will become as 157.32 bar. Okay, did you understand? In this question, only 3 2 is repeated. 7 is not repeated. Okay, that's why what am I going to do? 7 I will bring along with 50. If I want to bring 7 to this side, what should I do? I should multiply with 10. Okay, 10 means the point will move 1 digit to right side. That means it will become 157.32 bar. So let x is equal to 15.732 bar. Periodicity is 2 only. But we are going to separate out this first. This is equation number 1 into 10. Why we are multiplying 1 into 10? To bring 7 to this side. Okay, along with the 15. So it will become 10x is equal to 157.32. This is equation number 2. Okay, now the thing became very easy. 3 2, the periodicity is 2. So we have to multiply equation number 2 by 100. Okay, equation number 2 into 100. Why we are multiplying by 100? Because the periodicity is 2. So it will become 10 into 100. 10 into 100 means 1000x equal to, you see here, 157.32 means 3232 so on. We are multiplying by 100 means point will move 2 digits right. So it will become 15,732.32 bar. Okay. So 15,732.32 bar. This is equation number 3. Okay, now what we should do? We have to subtract 2 from 3. Not 1 from 2 or not 1 from 3. We have to subtract 2 from 3. Okay, subtract 2 from 3 implies 100x minus 10x. What is 990x? equal to 15,732 minus 157.321. Answer 5. Right or no? Do you know subtraction? Okay. 15,575. Okay, now we should find out x is equal to 15,575 by 990. Okay, if it is possible for making it to lowest term, we have to do it. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 balance, 5 5s are 25. This one, 5 1s are 5, balance 4, 49, 5 9s are 45, balance 4, 40, 5 8s are 40. Again, is it possible? Okay, not possible. So the final answer is 3,150 by 198. So in this way we can convert the non-terminating recurring decimals into rational. Okay, how we got it?